Here we have our new generation panoramic pop-top roof. This includes 2 mesh windows either side with covers, and then at the front you have a solid window, as you can see, instead of your mesh ones. Above that window you have some ventilation on velcros, which you can allow more air ventilation into the van while your windows are closed, and because it's underneath your pop-top roof, there's no rain getting inside of it. Underneath here we have our 2 zippers, which allow you to open up the roof and access your panoramic view of the nature. So we have a high gloss metal frame built in here, which allows pop-top bed on top for more room for people to sleep.